Elementary volleyball lesson plans includes an introduction to the unit, a warm-up, a grouping activity, game activity game, and a cool down. At the start of each unit, take the time to engage in a brief discussion with children to present the overall theme. Be sure to use open-ended questions. For instance, in Unit 4, the focus is on cooperating. You can ask questions like, in sport, we see a wide variety of positive and negative behaviors in athletes, coaches, referees, and spectators. What does spirit of sport mean to you? At the end of the discussion, make the link with the expected outcome of the unit. So by the end of Unit 4, you'll be able to maintain a rally with a partner using 3 contacts: hit, catch and throw, and hit over the net. The warm-up is a time for kids to start getting active using large muscle groups. The warm-ups chosen in this guide are activities that children can do themselves, providing time for teachers who have to set up equipment at the same time. Now that kids are warmed up, it's time to start putting them into teams to begin the first game. To do so, we propose 3 different ways. You can create homogeneous groups based on characteristics, such as same height, skills, girls versus boys. Or you can create groups based on the number of children you need per team, or create teams randomly using a number of creative ways. This particular activity will ultimately create teams of 2. The game activity game section is the core part of the lesson. Let the game be the teacher is the motto. The goal is to get kids playing right away, mostly in cooperation, and for them to identify their own challenges through the game. While kids play, observe general motor skills, problem-solving skills, and behaviors that you can later discuss during the tactical talk. After Game A, quickly gather children and have them sit in a semicircle. The goal is to take a brief moment to reflect on the challenges they faced and for them to find solutions and strategies that they can then practice in the following activity.
You were all dynamic, moving behind the ball. But what we did is we added a second contact. So what can make your partner successful to put the ball over the net? Yes.
Call the ball?
Call the ball. Good example. Yes.
Toss.
A high toss. Great. Yes.
Not too close to the net.
Not too close to the net. That will allow your partner to have some space to play the ball over the net. And just like a rainbow. Exactly. Just like a rainbow. So that's what we're going to practice during the next activity. So we're all going to go and we're going to practice to make our partner successful by passing a high toss, calling the ball, and not too close to the net. Great. Let's go.
Once the kids have identified solutions to their problems, now is the time for them to practice those solutions. Emphasize on the skill they need to improve. You can adapt the activity using easier and harder variations. Game B is a retake of Game A, allowing children to apply back into the game the skill they've just practiced. Challenge children to surpass their cooperative goals and provide competitive goals. At the end of the unit, give time for children to cool down and improve their strengthening, flexibility, and balance. Draw on key learnings of the day and answer any questions children may have.